Reproduce your thoughts effectively and never let anybody forget anything. Let's see the phrases for that. I will always remember. I will always remember the support you provided. I will never forget. I will never forget your kind words. If I remember correctly, we were batchmates in the college. As far as I can recall, you were among the toppers of the class. I have vague recollection of my childhood. It is on the tip of my tongue. That means I'm trying to remember, but I can't quite remember. My mind went blank. That means I couldn't remember or think of anything. It doesn't ring a bell. It means it doesn't sound familiar. Please remember to pick me from the office. Please don't forget to mail. I would like to remind you about the meeting at 1 p.m. You haven't forgotten to mail, have you? You haven't forgotten to subscribe my channel, have you? Subscribe my channel right now.